Welcome back to Ritual. Okay, so today got a little pickup. Of course, you guys may know what it is already if you read the title of the video, but I'm just gonna give you guys a short look at what I picked up and a little quick review. So today in this box, well, it was in this box. Matter of fact, let me cut to the B-roll and show you guys what we got. It's the Keep It Double leather bracelet by Louis Vuitton. So let's roll to the B-roll. Two iconic monogram canvases, Eclipse and Macassar, are combined to create a layered effect in the Keep It Double leather bracelet. This striking piece features a double tour cordon design and a unique Keep It clasp system created from silver color hardware. Engraved Louis Vuitton signatures add a stylish finishing touch. This Keep It Double leather bracelet comes in two sizes, size 19 and size 21. Alright, so now we got the B-roll out the way. This is what it looks like on the wrist for you guys. So you can see they got the two patterns, the two monogram patterns. This is what it looked like on the clasp. Retail on this was $405. Like I said, pretty good bracelet, really good quality on the leather. Very nice. Just not a fan of that locking system though. Not gonna lie. Like I said, I understand why they have it. It's to keep it on you. Hence the name Keep It. And then the name Double because you have the two different monograms. But yeah, pretty good purchase. But like I said, I don't know if I'll be keeping this one. It looked better online. Well, I take that back. It looks great. I just don't like the lock system. Just gonna keep it real with you guys. So that's the only negative about this one. It looks good on the wrist, but very difficult to put on, especially by yourself. But yeah, retail for $405. If you're interested in getting these, they actually have them available online right now on louisvuitton.com, and in some select stores they actually had them in hand. At my local store, they only had one of these. So yeah, but yeah. So thank you guys for tuning in to Rituals. Like I said, I keep this video very short. Just a little quick review of a pickup I got from Louis Vuitton. With that being said, thank you guys for tuning in to another episode of Rituals. Before you leave, do me a favor, smash that thumbs up button because the YouTube algorithm loves it. And that's how this video get pushed out to more people. Just gonna keep it real. And also, while you're down there, hit that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. The channel is known about car content, sneaker reviews, money, financial tips, and gaming. But I also do product reviews when I get something in that's really nice. Alright, so with that being said, thank you guys so much for your support. Oh, one other thing. I'm titling this video, and I need to figure out a title for it. So when I need to figure out a title of videos, I use an app called TubeBuddy, or a website called TubeBuddy. And it helps me generate a title for the video. I'm going to show you guys what I mean right now. So I'm going to title the video, and then you guys will see how I do it. how I do my videos. I use TubeBuddy to create a title. I use TubeBuddy to create tags. And that's how we get the SEOs and everything going out there so the world can actually find the video so we can get these views up. So yeah, interested in growing a YouTube channel and you're interested in getting more views, then I recommend you download TubeBuddy app or go to the website and sign up for TubeBuddy. Sign up is free. They have other membership programs, but initially it's free. So yeah, use my link in the description below and sign up for TubeBuddy. You guys have a great day. Peace and love. Thank you for watching Rituals. We out.